Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the exact assets you need, the movie file and a matching subtitle file. Rename the SRT to match the video file name so the player auto-loads it. Install a capable player, VLC or MPV, because they handle formats and encodings reliably. Once done, set default subtitle encoding to UTF-8 and choose your preferred font size. This prevents garbled characters. Make sure you have audio output set correctly so you can sync listening and reading without delay. Now you load the subtitle into the player. Open the video, then add the external SRT via subtitle right arrow add file. You will often need to sync timing. Press the subtitle delay keys to shift subtitles forward or back in milliseconds until dialogue matches. If subtitles are hard-coded in the video, you can either find a matching soft subtitle file or extract them using OCR software. But note that extraction can require manual cleanup. Keep adjusting while watching a short scene to confirm alignment. Finish by optimizing the on-screen appearance. Increase font size, toggle background box, and choose a high contrast color so subtitles are readable over busy scenes. If you see gibberish, switch the subtitle encoding to UTF-8 or UTF-16. This fixes language characters. When problems persist, update the player, reinstall relevant codecs, or try another subtitle file that matches the release. One quick tip: test a 30-second clip after each change so you don't rewatch long sections while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.